All right, chemistry students, I wanted to go over problem 1.99 on your 1B homework that is due tonight. This should be actually number 8 on the homework, okay? So before we actually go into the problem, I want to note this table on the right here, 1 meter is 3.280 feet, okay? I'm going to open up a blank tab. I've actually listed my givens because remember that's the first thing you're going to need to do. So it's just like blank sheet of paper. You're given 2.027 times 10 to the 5th feet cubed. And the question mark, the unknown, is that in liters. So you have a length times a length times a length, the feet cubed, which is a volume, but you've got to get it into liters. So you need to use, we're going to do a sort of some side math, you need to get this where it says feet cubed and meter cubed, okay? I'm actually going to get the conversion where it's 1 foot cubed equals something. So that equivalence here I got from the table, but I want to know what 1 foot cubed is. So I'm just going to set up, this is a little ratio, 1 meter is 3.280 feet, and therefore x meters, that variable, is, I want to know in 1 foot. I just want to know what that is, okay? This is just a cross multiply. So you cross multiply these two. You write a new equation, 3.280. I'm going to get rid of my units for a minute and just write like the algebra. 3.280 x equals 1. X is going to equal 0.305 meters. And therefore x cubed, if you cube a number, if you want a cubed unit, you have to cube the number, is 0.0283 meters cubed. Okay, so I have a new given here. 1 foot cubed equals 0.0283 meters cubed. All right, so I am given one number in the beginning, this number way at the top. I'm going to, there's my givens. I'm going to, oh, I forgot about one more conversion. Let me go to the PowerPoint. Do you guys remember this blue equivalence? So you can convert in your plan, you can convert from feet cubed to meters cubed, and then straight to liters if you know that step, or you can go to kiloliters and then liters using this, what's highlighted in blue, okay? I am just going to say, all right, if 1 meter cubed is 1 kiloliter, then I know that 1 meter cubed equals 1,000 liters. So I have my givens, all three listed here, okay, and this is the plan that I'm going to do. So 2.027 times 10 to the 5th feet cubed. And I'm going to write my big long line. I know that feet cubed goes down here, meters cubed up top. So 1, and then I'll put in my number. Okay. Meters cubed, use the units. So feet cubed cancels. Meters cubed to liters. Like I said, you can go to kiloliters and then to liters. I'm just doing a one step here. That is actually what the homework will show you if you ask them to help you through it. So meters cubed cancels, leaving me with liters. So you should get the answer 5.74 times 10 to the 6th liters, which I actually already put in, and it showed me it was correct. It says, yay, correct. Okay, so that opens up part B. So they're telling you this blimp is in operation. It's got some gas in it, and here's the density. Now, I will tell you on the quiz, your density, let's see, did it shut off the Screencast-O-Matic? I can't see if it is recording or if it quit. Okay, sorry. I think when I went to the internet, it automatically stopped recording on me. Okay, so let me scroll down. Part B gives you the density of helium. I'm not going to go back to the internet because I think it stops the recording. Part B, it gives you this density, and it's asking you to find the mass. Now you have a volume. Your answer to part A you have to use. That's going to be a given for part B and a given for part C in this problem, okay? So you have, if you want to think about a plan, you have a given that's got liters, and you have a given that's a density given in grams per liter. Now I will tell you density on the quiz, you better have your units as grams per milliliter. That's what we discussed in lecture, okay? They happen to give it to you there in grams per liter on this homework question. So you're going to go from liters into grams using density as the conversion factor, and then grams to kilograms. So that's your plan. So I've got that volume 5.74 times 10 to the 6th liters. Liters is on the bottom, grams is on the top. 0.1, was it 179? 179. If you want, you could put a 1 down there if that looks weird to you. Liters cancels. Now grams to kilograms. I memorized that kilo is 10 to the 3rd, but grams is the base unit, so 10 to the 3rd goes with the base unit and the 1 goes with the kilo. So your answer here should be 1.03 times 10 to the 3rd kilograms. Now for part C, I'm not going to go to the internet because I think it shuts off this free software I have. For part C, you're going to use the same volume, the 5.74, but they give you a density of air. So instead of 0.179 like you do in part B, it's whatever the density is they give you, and then you're doing the same math that you're doing in part C, except with the new density. Okay, so that's problem 1.99. Okay. I'm going to stop and I will email you guys about the quiz.